So these are the results that I was able to generate after following the step-by-step roadmap that I am going to teach you in this video. And here you can see in last 4 weeks, I was able to generate around $300,000 of opportunities with 12% reply rate. And this is one of my account, and one of my account got around $70,000 of opportunities with 6.3% reply rate. I will share with you the complete roadmap of building a 100K ARR business online using cold emails in this video. So be with me in this. Before just getting in detail into the things, let's just discuss the roadmap first, like what you would be learning, what would be the complete roadmap, how you would be learning the things, and how you would be doing the things, and how I am going to teach you in this video. First of all, I'll teach you how you can create an offer to sell, like a service, a product, or something like that, because you need something to sell, right? So I'll tell you if you don't have something to sell, because it's beginner friendly. So I'll tell you how to create something to sell. Then I'll explain to you the complete cold email framework, that how the cold emails work and how we would be sending that much number of cold emails that lands into the inboxes. Then we would sign up for Instantly AI. The link is in description, which is a cold email software that we would be using to send the cold emails. Then I'll tell you about the first method of setting up cold multiple email accounts, because we would be sending the bulk emails. So I would be telling you about the best and most preferred method to set up email accounts in 15 minutes. But if you don't want to use it, then there is a method too that is a bit hard, where you would have to first buy the domain names, then buy the email service providers like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office, and then you would have to set up the email accounts in Instantly AI. Then I'll tell you that how you can find and verify leads using a lead finder. This is the software also by Instantly AI, where you can find high quality leads by the technology they are using. Like you can sort the businesses by their revenue, their tech spend. You can sort leads by their roles like CEO, etc. Then there are a lot of things that we would be sorting out to get the best leads possible. Then I'll tell you that how you can set up the cold email campaign so that you can add those leads through that campaign, and then we are ready to get the replies, and after getting replies we will be getting the sales, and sales means the revenue, and that means our business is ready and is getting revenue, is generating sales, and that is all about the complete roadmap. So the first step towards building your online business is creating your offer to sell. And how to create an offer, there are several types of offer. What you can do is you can learn a new skill, you can create your own product, or you can find someone else's offer to sell. Now what I mean by learning a new skill, I mean that you can learn something like web design, SEO, social media marketing, or copywriting, content writing, blog writing, or these kind of skill, and then you can sell it as service. And this is one part. And there are a lot of free courses on YouTube. You can learn from there, or you can just go to Udemy, you can learn from there. Even I have around 20 plus courses and 200,000 plus students learning from me. I have taught a lot of skills. You can check out my profile, the link is in description, and you can learn whatever skill fits you, suits you, and you can just sell it with the method that I'm going to tell you further in the video. Or you can just create your own product. Right nowadays it's a lot easy to create a product. Like there are a lot of no-code SaaS builders like Bubble Software and a lot of other platforms. You can build your own software as a service product, or you can create Notion templates or something like that, and you can sell those templates as well as a product. Or if you don't want to learn a skill, you don't want to create a product, then what you can do is the easiest path is to find someone else's offer and sell it. How you do it, let me just tell you. You just go to Google search or Google Chrome and see what's your best, like most favorite product or whatever you are good in selling in. In my case, it's SaaS. I know how to sell SaaS. I know about SaaS and these kind of things. Or let's say I know about SEO. So SEO, affiliate programs. Okay, I'll search for it, and here you can see I got top 26 affiliate programs that I can join. Like for SEMrush, they are giving for $10 for every free trial, and they are giving $200 for every new subscription you get. and you can get it for them. So if you get any new subscription for Semrush, you will be paid $200. Then Mangools, they are giving 30% recurring commission for lifetime if you bring any customers to them. So what you have to do is you just have to apply the method that I'm going to tell you, and you just have to sell the product of Mangools, and you can like save your time and efforts in building a new product or learning a new skill, and you can sell someone else's product. And in case of finding someone else's offer, you don't need this step and this step, but in these two things you need this one and this one. So after you learn a new skill or after you create a new product of yours, you need to create a landing page for your business, right? You just want to present your services, but if you are selling someone else's product, you will get their own landing page and you can sell your services there. And how do you do it? You just go back, and here's a tool called 10web.io, using which you can just create your own landing page using AI. Let's say if you are selling some sort of service and you liked this website, like let's say I'm your competitor, I am selling SaaS marketing services, etc. So if you just want to clone this landing page for your website, what you just have to do is you just have to copy this one and you just have to go there and you just have to sign up for 10web and just paste the link here, and 10web would create the complete website for you like this one, and you can just change the copies and images, and that's all. After that, what you have to do is you just have to set up your social media profiles to build a social proof, like on Facebook, Google My Business, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. You just have to create your profile so that social proof is built, and now your business is ready to get sold. Now let's just learn more about the cold email framework, how cold emails work and how we would be utilizing that. First of all, we would have to find the interested leads, like the leads interested in your offer, interested in your product, and we would be using this doing this using Instantly AI lead finder. This is the best way to find the leads. We can find the quality leads according to their preferences, their job titles, their industries, their revenue, their team size, etc., and their countries and their cities, etc. Then the next step is to buy the multiple domain names. We have to buy multiple domain names because from one domain name we can only send around 250 emails. This is the maximum number of emails per domain we can send. Why we need domain names? Why we can't use those khadeenakbar@gmail.com domain names? Because it doesn't seem professional. We won't be getting results. So we need the professional domain names, and there's a complete framework in it, and I will explain it to you with the help of calculator. So here we have the calculator. So we need multiple domain names. We need to set up multiple email accounts, and then we can send multiple emails in bulk. So let's say if we want to send 1,000 emails per day, so to send 1,000 emails per day, we would need how much accounts? So from one email account we can only send maximum 50 emails per day, divided by 50. So we need 20 email accounts to send 1,000 emails per day. Like only 5 emails can be created on each domain name. Okay, so divided by 5 equals 4. So we need, if we want to send the 1,000 emails per day, then we want to buy 4 domain names. Then on each one we would set maximum 5 email accounts, and then to send 1,000 emails per day we would be sending like 50 emails from each account to send 1,000 emails per day from 20 email accounts, and then the whole process is automatic. Everything would be going on. There would be a warm up and all those kind of things, and then it would be done. And why we are doing this? To make sure that emails are landing into the inbox, because if we won't follow this process, our email would, on the second day, our emails would start going to spam, and then we won't get any sort of results. The next step is to sign up for Instantly AI, because this is the tool that we are going to use to send cold emails, and the link is in description, and you can just go to link in description and sign up for Instantly AI. Just hit get started, and here you would have to add all your details like your first name, your last name. Then here you just have to add your email address, then password, and agree. And after signing up, they would ask you for this thing, then you just have to continue, and after that they have sent us the verification email, and we have to verify. And here you go, it's verified, and it would take us from the onboarding. And for first 14 days you can just set up 2 email accounts, generate 25 leads, and send around 25 emails, as well as a trial to check it. And then you would need a pro subscription, which would be in settings, I guess. And here you can see which starts from $37 per month to send the leads. Then this one, I think, yeah, this one, lead finder, which is 47 per month to find the 1,000 leads per month. And if you are facing any problem on how to use it, you can just go to Instantly AI Accelerator, and there you have the complete setup, step-by-step guide on how to find the leads, how to set it up, copywriting, campaigns, etc, etc. Or you can join my cold email course with around 16,000 students on Udemy. The link is in description to learn more about cold emails and Instantly AI. Now it's time to buy the domain names, set up the email accounts, and then integrate them with the Instantly AI. It's a long process. It might take 2 hours, 3 hours, even 5 hours to do that. But what I suggest, the best method is Inframail.io, which is a cold email infrastructure software that can set up the email accounts for you on like automation automatically, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to go sign up for Inframail and select the domain names, and it would pick and choose the like things for you. So what we have to do is you just have to click on get started now. And here you just have to add your name, first name, last name, email address, and you just have to create password and just log into it. And when you sign into Inframail, first of all, you just have to subscribe for a plan. There are 2 plans, agency pack and unlimited plan. With unlimited plan, you can host unlimited domains and emails. You can do unlimited things. Okay. You have dedicated IP address. Then all the things would be set up for you, like DKIM, SPF, DMARC. These are the technical stuff that you would have to do if you would do it yourself from the providers. But if you use Inframail, would do it for you. Then free email forwarding, and you can set up to 5 domains per day. I already have this plan, so I'll just sign out from this one, and I'll log in from the other one. Let me just add the fingerprint into it and hit login. So here you go, I just got logged into it. And after getting the subscription, after buying the whole thing, you would be given the access to the cPanel. And then what you just have to do is you just have to go to buy domains, and here you have to put in the domain names that you want to buy. So I'll search for SaaSpedia.ly or SaaSpedia.ly.com. Then like my business is SaaSpedia, so I'll get a domains according to that, SaaSpedia.ly.com, or and others. Like you can do several ones. Like right now I would buy 1 domain name only, so you would have to pay $16 per year for this one as well, for 1 domain. Otherwise you would have to pay like $10 or $11 for a domain name, then $6 per month for Google Workspace as well per email. So per domain you would have to pay around 6 5s or 30, so $30 per month plus $10 per year. But here you just have to give $16 per year. Okay, so I'll hit buy, and after hitting buy, I'll have to add my card details here. I'll hit process. And then you would have to after everything would be done automatically, you would have to select the usernames and then hit create, and the usernames would be created automatically. And here you would have to put your main website, hit set, and then it would take you to the exports. And here you can just get the Instantly file, and you just have to download it and go to your Instantly, go to emails, and then what you have to do is you just have to hit add new and IMAP CSV, click to upload. Then from here you just have to select this, and you just have to hit upload all. And here you would see that all the emails are connected now after uploading it automatically. And the method to just set up this whole email and domains thing is a manual method. How do you do it? You just go to any domain registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, etc., etc. Search for domain names. You just have to buy the domain names, and then you just go to some partner like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office 365. Their subscription starts from $6. Their subscription starts from $6 as well. Yeah, so both these subscriptions start from $6 per month, per user per month. So for each email address you have to pay $6 per user per month if you buy a domain from Namecheap and set it with Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. So if you set up want to send 1,000 emails per day, then what you have to do pay is 20 email accounts into 6. You have to pay $120 per month as well extra to Google Workspace or Microsoft Office to send those 1,000 emails per day. But obviously you would get some sort of better deliverability, but you would have to pay a lot on this. And then after setting things up, you would have to manually go to instantly and then hit add new, and you have the complete setup process here. And using that complete process, you would have to integrate the email accounts, and then you just have to go to each one and you just have to enable the warm up of each. Warm up means like bots would be transferring emails on themselves, so that bots know that this is a well reputed email, and you just have to keep these emails on warm up for around 2 to 3 weeks, so that bots are transferring emails between each other automatically. Someone sends email to SaaSmedia automatically my emails, then this email account automatically send emails to that account, so that bots know that this is this is an email account in use, so it would not be used for spamming people. And next step is generating leads, which what you can do is you can just go to lead finder and generate those leads, but keep in mind that it's around $47 per month starting to generate leads using Instantly AI lead finder. First of all, you can sort by lead the roles, like you want to target the CEOs, then you can find by location as well, like I want to target people in Canada, or you can also target it by cities like California or small cities. Then what industry they are in, you can also target by it, like I want to target business services, then you have detailed targeting options as well. Then how much employees they have, like let's say 25 to 1,000, then how much revenue they are generating, $0 to $1 million. And there are a lot of filters that you can utilize, and you can generate leads using it, and then you can just select all these leads and add to a campaign. But right now we don't have any campaign set up, so what we'll do is we'll just download these leads as a CSV, or we would save this search for future. And then after creating the campaign, we would just import this list, we would import these leads to our campaign. Now to craft a campaign, what you have to do is you just have to go to campaigns, and here you just have to hit a new campaign, and I'll say test campaign, and I'll hit continue. And here you go, the campaign is created. First of all the leads, we can just add leads from the lead finder by using the lead finder. Here you go, we just got into the lead finder, we got these leads. I'll hit add campaign, then I'll select the campaign, test campaign, and I'll hit add to campaign, and it would take all the leads to the campaign, and leads are added to the campaign. Now I'll open the campaign, and here you can see these all the leads are added to campaign, and these are getting verified. Then we have to create the sequences, and there are a lot of templates here for the sequences. Like here you can select what business you are in, and you would get a lot of templates, and you can use those templates. Then you can add the steps, like if someone don't reply in 7 days, then send him this message. Then you have a lot of follow-up templates, like I'll search for follow-up. I think we just got something there. So there are a lot of follow-ups templates there. Let me just have a look at those. Yeah, there you go. So here we have a lot of follow-up campaigns. Let's say I like this one, I'll use campaigns. Then there are a lot of variables, like you can use website signatures, email, etc., as the variables as well. Then you just have to save it, and you can just preview the things, how the things are going on. Then you just have to save the whole thing, save the copy, or save all the copies. Even you can add more steps into it as well. Then it's a schedule. You just have to set the schedule when you want to send those emails. And then here you have a lot of options, like from which emails you want to send these emails, from which addresses you have to select the addresses. And then you have some of the preferences, settings, limits, etc, etc. So you just have to do all those, and after that you can just launch your campaign. Your campaign is ready to launch, and you can launch your campaign now. Now what, you will start getting the replies here and in the Unibox, and you just have to reply to each of the reply. You have to keep the conversation going. You can book the meetings, and this is how the things will go on. Then you have the CRM, where all your meetings booked and all your deals would take place. And here is your inbox, where all your like messages would take place. And then here, from here you can just do all sort of trackings and these kind of things. And you have all the things here, and like you can manage the replies, you can sell the things, you can sell your offers. Here a lot of people would convert, you have to sell them, and you would make money from it. That was all about this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and comment below that you watched the full video. And I'll see you in any next video, and all the links are in description. Don't forget to check those links. So bye bye.